I am here in New Orleans at the Intralox NEXT event, and I'm catching up with Jeremy Shaw, North American Bakery and Snack Team Leader for Intralox. And we are at the Technology and Innovation Showcase for the NEXT event, and we are looking at some amazing technology here. So Jeremy, thanks for hosting commercial baking at this incredible event, and congratulations. I know NEXT has been a couple years in the making. Can you talk to me about what some of your objectives were in developing NEXT?
Sure. So we actually had our first event in 2018. The event went really well. We thought we really were looking to do this every couple of years, and with everything kind of happening with the pandemic, it pushed things back a little bit. So this has been something we've been working on for the last couple of years. And really, the idea behind this is kind of trifold. So what we're looking at is, one, from an innovation and technology showcase, which we're in here today, is we really wanted to kind of showcase really a lot of the latest innovations from a conveyance standpoint that Intralox works on. So we focus on applications from the food industry. We have customers here that are from logistics and material handling industry as well, customers like Amazon, etc. So really kind of bringing everything under one roof where we could showcase a large amount of conveyance here.
Yeah.
We also have, as you've seen, some of the panel discussions where we're bringing in a lot of different experts on a lot of the kind of common industry trends that are happening right now, some of the challenges as it relates to labor challenges, supply chain issues, how do you automate and bring that into your production lines where maybe that wasn't something that you did before. So really kind of having experts from multiple industries being able to kind of talk through these challenges and really bring a lot of new ideas to light in a session like this. And then I think lastly, it's a great opportunity from a networking standpoint. So, customers being able to interact with their suppliers, other customers, again, just bringing the industry together, and really everything from a food industry and outside of the food industry as well.
Yeah, for sure. And in this innovation and technology showcase, the thing that's so amazing is that none of this existed 10 years ago, right?
Right.
So I want to kind of take a walk through the showcase, and I want you to tell me, what is Intralox's strategy, and what are your beliefs behind innovation when you're developing all of this technology?
Right. So I think the first thing is we are always trying to continuously innovate. Our company was founded by an invention originally. So everything is, the forethought of everything is, how do we continually innovate and develop what we've already have on the conveyance side and continue to make that better. And a lot of that starts with having those intimate partnerships with our customers, understanding the challenges that they have, any gaps that they may have, that we may have on the conveyance side, and really being able to kind of understand that. We have a new product engineering team that focuses exclusively on understanding those customer needs and then being able to bring those ideas back to our engineering teams to develop new solutions for them. So I think it all starts from, again, really having those partnerships, those intimate discussions with our customers, and then taking that information back and then continuing to develop from there.
Yeah, and yesterday I heard a really incredible phrase, and that's designing for greatness.
Right.
How is that kind of living out in Intralox's innovation strategies?
So I think we try to, it's all about how do you continue to take an invention and continue to innovate on that invention.
Yeah.
So, I think when people first think of Intralox, they know Intralox sells conveyor belts. That was kind of our bread and butter.
Yeah.
And what we've really tried to do is focus on how do we take some of those ancillary areas part of on the conveyance side and really bring that all into one piece of that. And I think you see that when you walk through here.
Absolutely.
We do a lot of materials research. We're focusing on new technologies, new solutions that center around the world of conveyance overall.
Yeah, I can definitely see that. And I mean, everything that I have experienced in this showcase really, truly sums up designing for greatness. So thank you so much for hosting Commercial Baking.
Sure.
And congratulations on an incredible event.
Thank you so much, and thank you for coming. We appreciate it.